Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside File Explorer. Open it now with Win+E and go to a representative folder. Once you're there, choose a layout under View, Details, or Icons are common choices. Then click Options on the right and open, change Folder and Search options so you can set this view as the default. Make sure to pick a folder that uses the template you want to replicate across similar folders before moving to the next step. Now customize the display. Resize columns, set sort and group preferences, and toggle the Preview or Details pane so the folder looks exactly how you want. Once done, open Folder Options and go to the View tab. This is where per-folder behaviors live. Click Apply to Folders to propagate your current view settings to all folders that share its template. Make sure the folder type matches General, Documents, Pictures, because Windows applies templates by folder type. Finish by clicking Apply and OK, then navigate to other similar folders to confirm the default view applied. If you don't see changes, make sure the folder template matches and repeat Apply to folders. Once that fails, reset folder views from Folder Options or use the Folder View Reset option in File Explorer's ribbon. As a last resort, clear saved folder views by resetting the BAG MRU registry keys, but only if you're comfortable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.